In a colorful vegetable garden, all the vegetables are friends. There is tomato, who is red and round. Carrot is orange with green hair. Lettuce has soft, green leaves. But there is one vegetable that is not a friend yet. That vegetable is onion. Onion has a strong smell. When onion is near, it makes the other vegetables cry. So, tomato, carrot, and lettuce stay away from onion. Onion feels lonely and sad. He watches the other vegetables play. He wishes he could join them. One day, a big storm comes to the garden. The wind is strong, and the rain is heavy. The vegetables are scared. They need to save their home, but they cannot do it alone. They need to work together. Tomato, carrot, and lettuce try to protect the garden. They see pests trying to eat the plants. They do not know what to do. Then, onion comes close. His strong smell makes the pests go away. The garden is safe now. Tomato, carrot, and lettuce see how special onion is. They see that his smell is very helpful. And the tears? They help the vegetables grow strong. Tomato, carrot, and lettuce say sorry to onion. They invite him to join their games. Onion is happy. He is no longer lonely. Now, all the vegetables are friends. The garden is a beautiful place. It is full of happy and united vegetables.